Bonjour et bienvenue sur un autre épisode de On peut le dire. Today we're looking at another oral vowel sound and we're going to use the sounds E and E to help us build up to E, which is very, very similar to the open E we did last time, but it's more relaxed, it's more weak, so I should have said weaker. And it's a sound that you have in English too, we call it schwa. It's a sound that's very likely to drop. In French, we use it, I like to call it a helper sound. So typically it's going to be shown with an E without an accent. And basically that E is going to be pronounced as a soft E if it helps. And it's going to drop or be replaced by an apostrophe if it doesn't help. So for example, we have three pairs here. So for the closed E sound, we've already practiced with de, the number 2, de, and peu, which is can, and I've added one here today, jeudi, Thursday. So you have de, peu, jeudi. That's the closed E sound represented by this IPA code. Then we've already looked at sœur, sisters, peur, fear, and I've added an adjective here, jeune, which is young. So they're open. Sœur, peur, jeune. De, peu, jeudi, sœur, peur, jeune. So you can practice it. I'll have a go later again and pause more so you can repeat after me. And then today we're looking at de, petit, je. It's much harder to do this sound, I find, out of context because it drops so often. So it's characterized by its weakness or its softness, if you want to call it. Actually, let's call it soft. And softness is not a weakness. So it is soft. Okay, so that means typically de, petit, and je. In spoken French, they may end up being de, petit, je. Okay, so for example, French people, if they speak with their friends, they're not going to say je fais de l'équitation. They're going to say je fais de l'équitation. So je fais instead of je fais, de l'équitation instead of de l'équitation. So typically that's why you see it drop. Un petit tour, a little walk. We don't tend to say un petit tour. It's un petit tour. Okay, so that's where the weak one comes in. So let's have a go at practicing. So we'll have de, sœur, de. And we have something. My best friend, personal story time, my best friend was born 27 days after me, and I met her that day, the day she was born, because my mom and her mom were best friends as well. So on the day she was born, my mom went to a hospital with me, who was at the time 27 days old, to meet her best friend and her new daughter. And we became best friends. We were pretty much always together, every day together when we were growing up. So she wasn't my sister, but we used to say we were heart sisters, and that in French would be sœur de cœur. Hey! Sorry. That's all right. And so you'd have a sœur de cœur, back to the open E, sœur de cœur. And if you go fast, this one is barely sounded, sœur de cœur. So you could have deux sœurs de cœur, deux sœurs de cœur, deux sœurs de cœur. So you can see the middle de is not emphasized at all, or hear it rather. And then we can have a contrast between peu, peur, petit, peu, peur, petit, peu, peur, petit, peu, peur, petit. So we emphasize the last syllable here. And I should have actually done this, because there's an explanation that will go with that later. Done. And then we have the last trio, jeudi, as opposed to jeune, as opposed to je. Jeudi, jeune, je. Jeudi, jeune, je. So this one is almost between those two. It's a bit closer than the E, but it's much less emphasized than the E. Okay? And so then what I wanted to show, I don't know if you see, normally you have a very closed E sound, either if it's the last sound in the word, so you can see for de and peu, there's nothing after it. There is an X written, but you don't hear it. So your E sound is closing the word, and therefore you close the sound. For jeudi, your vowel that has the vowel sound E is followed by a strong vowel sound syllable. So you have D. E is a strong vowel, okay? And that means that you're closing that part of the word to move on to a strong vowel syllable, okay? So if you're closing the word with your vowel sound, or if it's being followed by a strong vowel, you close the sound, it's E. If you see sir and peur, what happens here is they're the last vowel sound, but there is a consonant sound afterwards, closing the word, and therefore we keep the E open, because we want to enable our mouth to produce that last consonant sound. If you close down your mouth on E, it's harder to then produce just the consonant sound on its own. Jeune is similar. We have a final E, but it doesn't have an accent. It's just there to say N should be sounded out as a consonant. Therefore, we again have the pattern of an E sound followed by a consonant sound. So it's easier to pronounce it if you're keeping your E open. I hope that makes sense. And then for de, petit, and je, it's just with context. So de and je with articles, pronouns, and prepositions. If they have an E, they tend to be easily dropped for the next word to be emphasized more. So if you say I play, the main thing you want to tell people is play. It's not about I, it's about play. So you put the emphasis on the verb after it, for example. And petit, we tend to emphasize the end of words anyway, so that's why it's dropped. Okay, so we have again here petit. I've underlined E twice because that's the strong syllable. It's a strong vowel sound and it's the end of a word, so we emphasize it more. Okay, so let's have a round through that. So we have deux sœurs de, deux sœurs de, deux sœurs de, deux sœurs de. Okay, and then peu, peur, petit, peu, peur, petit, peu, peur, petit. Jeudi, jeune, je. Jeudi, jeune, je. Jeudi, jeune, je. Okay, and then I think I have a little tongue twister-ish. And I wasn't inspired with only those sounds, so I've put some more sounds. You can see in blue I've written the actual words we're going to say, and in purple underneath you've got the vowel sounds. We've covered them all in the OPLD series, so if you have missed some of the videos and you're confused with some of these symbols, do check back on the playlist and find the ones you've missed. So we're going to say je, so we have a soft je peux, so soft, closed, je peux te, soft, voir, jeudi, closed, so je peux te voir jeudi avec ta sœur, and we finish on an open one. Okay, so that's just I can see you on Thursday with your sister. Je peux te voir jeudi avec ta sœur. 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 Okay. And that's it for today. That's it for this one at least. I'm saying for today, but I'm planning on recording 2 other videos before going for food. So you'll have another few, either all tonight when I go home or tomorrow at some point. We'll see. As usual, if you've liked this, please like. It will help the channel. If you have any feedback, questions or comments, put it down below. Again, that will help the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, but this is helpful to you, do subscribe. And if you know people this could help, do share it far and wide to help me get some more subscribers. And also, I'm not used to filming with the phone like that. So if I'm looking at a weird angle and any of you have tips on where I should be looking, please do let me know, because I think I'll probably be looking weird. And that's it for this one. Merci, à bientôt. Ciao.